So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today Geeks for Geeks problem of the day is minimum operations. Okay, given a number n, find the minimum number of operations required to reach n. Starting from 0, you have two operations available, double the number or add one to the number. Okay, the number is they given n is equal to 8 and the output is 4. Okay, I start from 0 and I increase the value 0 by 1, so it becomes 1, and then I add another 1 to this one, it becomes 2, and then multiplied this 2 with 2, it becomes 4, and 4 with 2, it's become 8. Okay, so there are four operations. Like for this I am adding one operation, I am adding another one, it's another one operation, and I am multiplying 2, it's a third operation, and I'm multiplying another 2, it's the fourth operation. Okay, so the output is 4. uh, it's a very easy kind of problem. You can solve like this. Like you can they explain here from the start, like from 0. You can solve this problem by end. Like, okay, I'm at 8. Okay, my n value is 8. Okay, I will check, okay, can this 8 will be divided by 2. Okay, like you can think about it, you need to return the minimum operations. So what if like if you want this 8 to be 0, what you did, if you divided this 8, it will reduce to 4. Okay, if you divided this 8, it will reduce to 4, but if you just minus 1 from this 8, it will become 7. So what will be like benefit for us? Divided by 2. Okay, so we will check if this number is divided by 2, we will divide it by 2. Okay, like 8 is divided by 2, yes it is, so we will divide it by 2 and it becomes 4. Now we'll check 4 is divided by 2, yes it's divided by 2, so we divided the 4 by 2 and it become what, 2. Now we'll check, okay, 2 divided by 2, yes 2 divided by 2, so we'll divided this 2 by 2 and my answer becomes, or my n becomes 1. Now is n is divisible by 2 or what? Not, 1 is not divisible by 2, right? So in this case we simply minus 1. Okay, for this case we just do some minus 1. Okay, for from this number if it is not divisible. So if I minus from this 1, minus 1 from this 1, it becomes 0 and we reach to this 0, and for the fourth step, using fourth step, we will reach this 0 point. Okay, I think you understand this problem and the solution. Let me show you the Python code. So here this is the Python code. Here I initialize my count as 0 and I run a while loop until my n is become equal to 0. Okay, until my n is greater than 0 or it will not equal to 0. Okay, now I will check if my n is divisible by 2, then I just simply reduce by or divided by my n by 2, else I just reduce by minus 1. Okay, then if for every time we did this operation, we just increase our count, and finally when n equal to 0, then we return our count. Let's compile this code. Yeah, it's compiled successfully. Let's submit this code. It's also submitted successfully. So thank you all, that's all for today.